Hey, if you're checking out this KEXMO pocket knife here, I want to show you some of the things up close, hopefully answer some of the questions that you might have about this, just get a better look of it. Now, all right, let's just do a little test. We have this cardboard box here. Let's just see how easy it pushes. All right, let's see how it does with this rope here. I'm even going to test it out here on this 2x4 here. Let's see what it has. Now, the first thing is this does have a pretty decent weight to it. I think it has a really nice look to it. You see it does have the wooden handle there, and then the rest of the knife is black, along with the blade as well. For opening it, there's a few different ways that you can do that. And you're going to notice right here on both sides, you have a thumb assist, which will allow you to open up that knife. But the one that I like to use is right here on the back. It has the quick open. It's the spring loaded, and it just opens up real quick like that. Very nice feature. Being able to open this with one hand right away, super easy. Let me show you what it does look like up close. I like the really nice wood grain. Nice design here. It does have some grip right here for putting your thumb. And even up here on the top. Nice place to do that so that you can, if you need to use a little bit extra strength, you can do it. Now check out the blade here. Really nice design. I like the little holes in the groove that's in there. And even this little bevel design. So you can see just about how big the blade is. Really about the size of my palm. On the back side, you're going to see the clip for your belt, and this is a bit on the stiff side, so I do like that. You can, because it has this little lip here, you can still very easily put it right onto your pants, your belt, anything like that. You can easily pull out, be able to open it up and use it. Another really cool thing is you're going to see here on the back, this is a glass breaker. If for some reason you got stuck in your vehicle, anything like that, this is designed to help you be able to get out. Now you might be wondering, most important thing is how well does this cut? Let's put it to the test for you so you can see. All right, let's just do a little test. We have this cardboard box here. Let's just see how easy it pushes through. That was pretty easy. All right, let's see how it does with this rope here. I'm even going to test it out here on this 2x4 here, just to give you an idea. If you had to use this out camping, anything like that, and you had to do something with some wood, let's see what it has. It's cutting right into it. So it's a very sturdy little knife, very sharp. The blade is a really strong blade. It is made out of 3CR13 stainless steel. If you're looking to pick this up, I hope that paints a little better picture for you.